Today, we're diving into the Infinix Note 60 Pro, a smartphone that promises a lot, especially for its price point. But does it really deliver? Let's explore what makes it stand out and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. The Infinix Note 60 Pro is designed to cater to those who want a solid smartphone experience without breaking the bank. It features a vibrant display and a decent camera setup, which is often what users look for in this price range. The device runs on a MediaTek Helio processor, which handles day-to-day tasks pretty well, but you might notice some lag with more demanding apps or games. What's notable is the 5000 mAh battery, which provides excellent longevity, making it perfect for heavy users. The user interface is based on Android, offering a smooth experience with a few customizations from Infinix. However, some users might find the bloatware a bit annoying as it comes pre-installed with several apps that you might not need. Overall, it feels like a solid choice for casual users, but there are areas that feel a bit unclear, particularly regarding software updates and long-term support. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the battery life is impressive and the display quality is quite good for the price. The camera performs decently in good lighting, which is a plus for social media enthusiasts. However, there are some downsides. The performance can lag under heavy usage and the presence of bloatware might frustrate some users. Additionally, the lack of clear information regarding software updates raises some trust concerns. If you're someone who values long-term support, this could be a deal breaker. This phone might not suit power users or gamers who need top-tier performance, but if you're looking for a budget device for everyday tasks, it could be a good fit. In summary, the Infinix Note 60 Pro offers solid features for its price, making it a decent option for casual users. However, if you're seeking high performance and longevity in software updates, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth considering if you're on a budget, but proceed with caution.